Welcome to How to Create an Announcement. Once you arrive on your dashboard, click on the course card you want to add your announcement for. Here we are in my sandbox. Next, we're going to look at our course navigation and click on Announcements. Then here we can see I do not have any announcements currently in my sandbox. I'm going to click plus announcement. And here you will create your new announcement. So give your a title for your topic, maybe a reminder, project due Sunday. In our text field, we have all of the toolbar of the rich content editor. You can make headings to make it accessible. You also have your bullet points and numbering system if you would like to use that. Announcements are usually quite short, within a half a page, so those tools may not be necessary if your announcement is short. So we'll put our reminder, project due Sunday. I like to keep things accessible, so I'll change that to a heading 2. Come down, add a link, and then I can hyperlink this to the directions for project, some other instructions, so maybe submit in Canvas, message me in inbox, Canvas inbox, if you have any questions. And then we could just say, have a great day, Professor whoever. All right, so we have our body of the announcement. You could always highlight sections to add hyperlink. You could add to a course link and link it to a page. Once we do, here we go, I'll put in Sierra College Writing Center as an example. And then now we can see blue and underlined. It has been hyperlinked to that page. You can choose a course link, or you could choose an external link, which would be for a website outside of your course material. You can attach a document, but remember, file size must be rather small. You can post to all sections, or you can use the drop-down menu to choose which section. We have options here. Allow participants to comment. This is instructor decision. However, if you do allow participants to comment, I would highly encourage you to add PS, any comments posted to this announcement is visible to all students in the course. Sometimes when students see announcements, if they have a notification of an announcement, they may think that it is an email directly to them. And when they reply to that announcement, they are sometimes not aware that it will be posted to the announcement for the entire class to see. So, instructor choice to allow comments, allow liking, right? Available from. So this could be helpful for you if you want something just to be visible to your class for, let's say, 1 week. So it'll post right after midnight, early Sunday morning, and then we can make it visible just until 11:30 p.m. November 2nd. After that, it will disappear from student view. This is also helpful if you want to set up announcements ahead of time. For example, before your semester starts, you want to remind students of add drop deadlines, refund deadlines, applying for graduation or certificate deadlines. You can set up all of those announcements ahead of time and then make sure that you're changing your available from to the time in this semester where that information is relevant. Once you are all done, you can double check yourself for accessibility. We have Ally Accessibility Checker here. We have Pope Tech Accessibility Checker down here. We can see since I have all of my parts. I have a header, I have bulleted points formatted with the bulleted icons. I have hyperlinks. Everything looks great. No errors, no alerts. I know my page is good. I'm ready to publish it for students to see. I will click that save button. And now there is my announcement for my class to see that will be available starting on October 27th. On that day, if students have their notifications set up properly, then they will be able to have an email notification sent that here is a new announcement from Professor Wolf.